Did you know Windows 11 secretly tracks what you do online? Let's turn these off, hidden tracking and privacy settings right now, and make your PC safe, secure, and faster, step by step. So go to the settings by doing a right click in the start icon, and then we will go to settings. Now here we will go to privacy and security, and then we will click on diagnostic and feedback. Now turn off send optional diagnostic data. This instantly blocks background tracking and improves your privacy protection. So I have turned it off, and you can also clear the diagnostic data that has been collected. Once you're done, and here we have this recommendation and offers. Earlier it used to be personalized ads, so we need to click on that, and I can simply turn off personalized offer. This stops Microsoft and other apps from showing targeted ads, making your system more secure and private. So it is up to you whether you want to do it or not. Now, it's a bonus tip. For extra safety, open the app permission and check tool and review what apps can access your camera, microphone, and location. Turn off what you don't trust or you do not know. So let's say I'll go to the location and see which all apps are using the location service. Then come back to the privacy security and go back to the camera. See which all applications are able to, they have the access of your camera. And do the same thing for app permission and the microphone as well. See which all apps are taking the camera. So, microphone. And once you're done, once you're satisfied, you can simply close this window. So this is how you can. So congratulations, I would say. You have just turned off hidden tracking in Windows 11. Your PC is now safe, private, and optimized for 2025, I would say. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe for more privacy and performance tricks only on Easy Tech Geek. Have a wonderful day.